comma 4 by 7. Now see here, I have told you 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Whenever you want to insert three fractions between them, what you will do, see, 1 by 2 and 3 by 5, which number is bigger? Yes, 3 by 5. So suppose this is my 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. To get first fraction, you add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So first will be 1 plus 3, add numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 1 plus 3, 4, 5 plus 2, 7. So first fraction is 4 by 7. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, add. And now do not send me the answer, okay? Stop sending me the answer. Now to get next, again add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 7, 9, 5 by 9. So 4 by 7, 5 by 9, okay. Again to get next, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So what are the three numbers? 4 by 7, 5 by 9, 7 by 12. Okay, so option number A is the correct option. Whenever you want to insert three fractions, you have to add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Siddhant Singh A. Okay, A answer is correct. Chalo, send me the answer of second. Shreya Veera A, Dhoni Vishwarao A, Durgesh Rana A. Okay, Krishank A, Veer Gupta A. Okay, Yash Kumawat A. Sir, other student. Yash Kumawat A, Dibbi Patel A, Daksh Patel A, Jay Madhav Das Solanki A. So between 2 by 5 and 4 by 9, which fraction is bigger? Yes, 4 by 9 is bigger. So what you will do? See this. This is 2 by 5 and this is 4 by 9. To get first fraction, whenever you want to insert fraction, add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6 upon 9 plus 4, 40. 9 plus 5, 40. Okay. Now to get second, add these two, 2 plus 6, 8, 14 plus 5, 19. To get third, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 upon 23. So which option? 5 by 12. Nothing, my dear. Okay. So, 6 upon 40. 1 minute. 1 minute. 6 upon 14. 6 upon 14 is same as 3 by 7. Correct? 3 by 7. Now you can simplify. Yes. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 5 by 12. 3 by 7, 5 by 12. Okay? Now 3 plus 4, 7. 9 plus 7, 16. 7 by 16. Yes. So if you do not cancel, then you will not get the required answer. To get the required answer, you have to reduce that to the lowest term. So what are three numbers? Very good. So 3 by 7, 5 by 12, 7 by 16. Which option? Option number A. Chalo, see third one. Write all the integers. Send me the option. Durgesh Rana B. How B? Shreya Veera A. Shaurya Yadav B. Hey, my dear, whenever I am telling you between, I have explained you the concept of between and from. See here. If it is between means minus 12. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. A option is correct. If it is from, then minus 12 and 12 will come, my dear. Minus 12 and 12 we include whenever it is from. If it is between, you have to exclude end number. So correct option is A. A is the correct option because it is between. If it is from, then B is the answer. Yes? But my dear, minus 11 is not divisible by 2 or 3, no, anyone. So minus 11 will not come. Yes? This condition should also satisfy. No, 2 or 3. Again, 2 or 3 means 2, 3 and both. Huh. So 2, 3 and both. Or means both. Whenever it is and, 2 and 3 means both. Okay. Whenever it is or means either it is divisible by 2 or 3 or both. But whenever it is and means only both. Not. Is it clear? So or, and, from, between, those concepts should be clear. Okay. Yes. Anybody has any doubt? Okay. Because examination mistakes should not occur. Straight away you will lose 3 marks, 4 marks. Chalo, send me the answer of fourth. Durgesh Rana A, Shreya Veera A, Parvora A, Durgesh Rana A, Parvora A, Dhanvi Vishwarao A, okay, Trishang, Pankaj A, Durgesh Rana A, Durgesh Rana, Trisha Jain A, Trisha Jain A, okay, New Sethia A. Okay, so A means 5.184. So you have to simply multiply 4.32 with 1.2. You will get the answer 5184. Then you have to place the decimal, 2 decimal and 1 decimal, 3 decimal from right. Yes, clear? You have to place the decimal, 3 decimal from right. Yes. Okay, chalo. Let us do it. Find the fourth proportion of fifth one. The fourth proportion. The fourth proportion. Now it is clear. The fourth proportion of 1 minute. The fourth proportion of 2.4, 3 and 3.5. 2.4, 3, 3.5. Find the fourth proportion. Find the fourth proportion. Let me change the question. This is different question. Find the fourth proportion of, change the question, 2.1, 1.5 and 8.4. Find the fourth proportion. You want me to give the option? Okay, chalo. Chalo. Third option is A 4, B 5, C 6, D 8. Can I do it? Sixth one. Huh? 4 options. A, B, C, D. Because 2 options, your answer is very closed. The third proportion of 12 and 30 is option A 52, B 25, C 57, D 75. B 75. Then seventh question. Let me write seventh question. Seventh question. Seventh question. Okay. Divide 64 rupees. Divide rupees 64 between A and B. Between A and B in the ratio. In the ratio. In the ratio. In the ratio. In the ratio 5:3. Option A, rupees 40 and rupees 24. Option B, rupees 30 and rupees 34. Option C, rupees 38 and rupees 26. D, rupees 28 and rupees 36. Let me give more question. No, wait. Let me give more question. Today we have to cover many problems. Fourth answer is A is the option. No, 5.184. 5.184. You just multiply 5.184. That is the answer. Okay. 5.184 is the answer. Chalo. Yes. Do it. Yes. Chalo. Eighth question. The price of a scooter. The price of a scooter. The price of a scooter is lowered 20%. Is lowered 20% to rupees, lowered 20% to rupees 40,000. To rupees 40,000. What is the original price? What is the original price of the scooter? What is the original price of the scooter? What is the original price of scooter? And also find the reduce in price. And also find the reduced in price. Also find the reduced in price. So an option I will not give. Wait one. चलो now 9:34 चलो. Send me the answer of fifth. चलो. Fifth very quickly. 1 minute I will tell you. चलो fifth one. Sreya Veera C, New Setia A. New Setia A, Durgesh Rana C, Krisha Jain C, Durgesh Rana C, Krisha Jain C, Krisha Jain, Durgesh Rana, Krisha Jain C. Yes, what about others? A option, C option. C option is 6. Let us verify. Fourth proportion I will take x. So you will get 2.1 into x is equal to 1.5 into 8.4. So you will get x is equal to 1.5 into 8.4 upon 2.1. You can remove the decimal. After decimal one digit, you can remove one decimal. 21 4s are 84. 1.5 into 4, x will be 6. Yes, x will be 6. C is the correct answer. Okay. Now chalo, send me third one. Sixth answer. Shreya Veera D, Pankaj Rawal D, C, New Setia D, Krishank. Fourth question that you see in the video, my dear. Fourth question is not there. Shaurya Yadav D, Digvi Patel D, Durgesh Rana D, Digvi Patel D, Aditi Gada D, Stamni Bane D. हाँ ठीक है. Per Vora D. Find the third proportion. I have explained you, whenever it is asked to find the third proportion, they will be in continued proportion, 3 numbers. So 12, x, 30. We take third proportion as x. So they are in continued proportion. 12 ratio x is equal to x ratio 30. So product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So 12 into 30 is equal to x into x. So 12 into 30, that is 36. 360 is equal to x square. So 360 means 60 into 60. Now what is that? Is it clear? Find the third proportion. No. Find the third proportion, no my dear. Find the third proportion. Are you getting this? 12 and 30. So 12, third proportion means it will be 12, 30. Are you getting this? It is not as find mean proportion. It is so you will take 12. You will take 12, 30. Third proportion I will take x because third proportion no. So what you will get? Yes. Find the third proportion of 12 and 30. So what you will get? 12 ratio 30 is equal to 30 ratio x. 30 ratio x. So product of extreme 12 into x. 12 into x is equal to 30 into 30. So x is equal to 30 into 30. 900 upon 12. 12 sevens are 84. 75. 75 is done. D is the correct answer. Okay. D is the correct answer for this. The correct answer is D. So send me the answer of seventh. Seventh answer. A, New Setia A means 40 and 24. Okay. This is the correct answer. Tell how you will find eighth one. The price of a scooter is lowered to 20% and new price is 40,000. Let me explain this part. The price of a scooter is lowered to 40,000. 20% is lowered. So original price we consider X and a new price becomes 40,000 with 20% reduction. So what you will get? Yes. 20 reduce x by 20% means x minus 20% of x is new price, that is 40,000. Are you getting this? Yes, my dear. D. So x minus 20% of x means 7 question option is A. 40 rupees and 24 rupees. Divide 64 rupees between two person A and B in the ratio 5:3. So 20 upon 100 into x is equal to 40,000. Are you getting this? 25 is 100. So x minus x upon 5 is equal to 40,000. So LCM is 5. So 5x upon 5 minus x upon 5 is equal to 40,000. Correct? So 5x minus x, 4x. 4x upon 5 is equal to 40,000. 40,000 upon 1. So you will get 4x is equal to 5 into 40,000. Is it clear, my dear? Cross multiply. So 4x is equal to 5 into 40,000. 5 into 40,000. So x will be 5 into 40,000 divided by 4. 4 you can divide by 10. 10,000. 10,000 into 5, 50,000. So original price of the car is 50,000. Original price of the scooter is 50,000. What is the reduction in price? How much price is reduced? No, my dear. No. 50,000. Original price is 50,000. And it becomes 40,000. So how much is reduction? 50,000 becomes 40,000. How much is reduced? 10,000. So reduced in price will be 50,000. Original price 50,000 minus 40,000 will be reduced in price. That is 10,000. So 10,000 is reduced in price. Okay. Yes, clear? Okay, very good. Now it is 9:41. We stop here. Bye everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye. Yes. Bye.